Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about the Nadeko bot and how to set up the auto delete welcome message. So first of all, you have to invite the bot. And you need this link. I will put the link in the description so you can just click on it. Then you have to invite the bot to your server. I will just invite you my test server. I will also just give it all the perms, but you can customize the perms if you want. It's authorized, and as you can see, the Nadeko bot is now in my server. First you have to set up the prefix. The standard prefix is just dot, but you can make it like you can make it every prefix you want. I will just be using the dot prefix. Alright, second, you have to make a welcome channel. You have to type .greet in the channel to activate greets in the channel, aka welcome messages. Alright, now you can set up the greet message. So type .greet message welcome, and if you want to ping a user, you can type %user.mention %, and then like a wave, or I don't know, you can make this all yourself. I will just use this. Then you have to set up the auto delete. So you type .greet del and then the seconds you want it to be auto deleted in. So I will just use 5 seconds, but you can just choose that yourself. And then it's all set up, guys. I will test it with another account. Alright, I just invited my alt account. Let's see if it works. See? Welcome at Mystic Wave. And the auto delete, yes, it will be deleted. And that's all, guys. That's all you have to do. Just follow the steps and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching my first video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. Comment if you have any questions. I will help as much people as I can. Then I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.